Nifty is the collaboration hub that unites goals, actions, and communication. It is a project management tool with the goal of doing projects remotely. Nifty provides you the section of milestone where you can define the milestones with their defined task. You can list and delist these tasks as well and can assign these tasks to your team members. Nifty provides you the discussion section where you can discuss your project and start the Zoom meeting with your team members. Nifty also provides you the options of project onboarding where you can upload the document files in which you can define the task and can chat with your team members as well. Nifty also provides you the section of overview where all your tasks are defined, and with workload section you have your project defined with respect to your team, and you can define them with the help of calendar. All task section have the task that you have defined. You can also put tags on them that which project is of high priority and which project is of low priority. This is how Nifty works. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you will understand the basic concept of Nifty.